Welcome to Ultimate Pickle Jar Lab. We're checking today to see just how dishwasher safe the new opaque style Airlock is compared to the old clear style. And I'm gonna tell you that the new ones are definitely dishwasher safe. There it is. Here's the new one, clear, and here's what it is when it comes out. Kind of shrunk. The piece there is totally gone. The caps appear to be the same material, and it didn't change. So, alright, well, I think we can safely advertise those as being dishwasher safe. The opaque new style 3-piece wine airlock we're selling.